Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a GMC Acadia. We're going to start right away up front. Then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seats, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Acadia is all-wheel drive. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Power assist liftgate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touch screen, that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Acadia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.